you. It's okay. Alright, dance. Oh, no. Do you know the movie Cars? Hindi na alam yung movie na Cars. Sad to say. Okay. Nobody's gonna move. Nobody's gonna move. Your dress is so nice. Where did you bought it? Oh! Kita ka niyo yun?
Hey, so now you know the game. Are you ready? 'Cause I'm coming to get you. Get you, get you.
Okay. What if I tickle one of you? Are you gonna move? Oh, what game do you usually play? Oh, nako! Parang nakuha na nila yung trip natin ah. Oopsie daisy. What if I tickle one of you? What if I tickle you? Are you gonna move? What? Moving? How about you, ate? Yes, moving. Parang Mami Ella, marami tayong bibigyan ng prize dito ah. Parang hindi ko na sila ma-picture sa candies and chocolates. What's your favorite color? Oh! How about you? What's your favorite color? Hindi siya pumikin. What's your name? Oh, lahat sila talaga naging statwa. Delikado to, ang hirap. Okay. Ang sabi ni Mami Ella, kung sino daw ang mag-greet kay Dan ng isang malakas na happy birthday, siya na daw ang panalo. Wala talaga? Can you guys greet Gani ang happy birthday? No? Okay, Mami Ella.